Hello there and welcome to the CEC. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the Ricoh's new generation of wide format printer, the Ricoh IM CW2200. If you're working in architecture, engineering or design, this is the ultimate tool for your large format CAD drawings, site plans or even technical graphics. So let's jump in. Now this device is extremely user friendly. Its interface is equipped with a 10-inch smart operational panel. The IM CW2200 offers intuitive touchscreen interface, customizable home screen and supports mobile device connectivity for streamlined operations. You can even print off a USB stick or an SD card, which I'm just about to do here. Printing large scale? No problem. The CW2200 can handle a continuous print of up to 33 meters long. This is ideal for extended technical diagrams, and with its built-in scanner and a scan speed of up to 106.7 millimeters per second in mono, digitizing your drawings is lightning fast. As you can see here, I'm just printing a CAD drawing. It's got an automatic cutter, so it just falls into the basket at the bottom. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that CAD drawing and use the CW2200's built-in scanner to scan that document. You can see how quick that is. Okay, let's look at this print we've just scanned, and you'll be able to see it's got beautiful, crisp, bold lines thanks to Ricoh's Gel Jet ink, which is both UV and water resistant. These prints are durable enough to take outdoors, straight onto a job site without worrying about smudges or rain. And to finish up, we're going to test the durability of the Gel Jet ink by pouring some water out of my water bottle straight onto the print, and you'll see that the ink does not smudge or rub away. Any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Ricoh.